Hi guys! So today I am going to be how you connect your controllers to your Switch. I'll just go back so you lot can see. So you go down to where it says controllers, you click on it, then you put change grip order, and then up there it says press L and R on the controller. Well, really you can just click anything. Well, on the one I'm using, which is the wired controller. And then you click A when you're done. And that is how you set up your controller to the Switch. See you in the next video. Peace out, and let's roll the outro.